Hey?
You want to pick up the E-ring for the next session?
What, the time?
2 minutes, yeah, 18 minutes.
Hey, what's up? Dead man getting his grenade! Oh, fuck. Pin, dropped it somewhere. Oh, dead man coming! Dead man grabbing pin! I'm still fairly close to it. Yeah. Now I just got a random picture of you going like that on my head.
Fucking hate this couch. Can you grab some BBs?
I hate these fucking goggles. I hate these goggles. Working on E-ring. We've got a couple of people near it. But people at these two sections wasting time at the minute. Tom, this area and that area waste of time. We're near E as it is. Yeah. Tom. Oh, a good way to get there. We've already cleared most of the way. Now next one. No, keep going. That's a board.
I know the way, follow me. Go inside.
I don't have any! Do it. Hello? I shouted blue, they didn't answer it.
Hello? Can I get a fire?
He's gone!
Yeah, he's gone, go. Where is he now?
Okay, I've got a map in the side.
Yeah, but I didn't know if it's still on there. I don't have the time, but
Yeah, I've got the next one then. Oh, I've seen, so I'll grab that thing in there. Second one. It was E. On F. E. F lower floor.
this is...
Marshall Tower, long drive.
Yeah, I think we're either on E, because it's so quiet up here.
Yeah.
It's got to be E.
Yeah.
So we'll walk away there now then.
Yeah, that's it. That's the next one.
There's a spawn the spot. Yeah, we're now spawning the top there. Oh, shit, we've got the better spawn now.
But we haven't, we ain't got this room. I'm up on you guys. Right, where is he? Where is he?
He's right here. There's this big cross building here. And this is where we're spawning. We should be spawning down there, could be, but that's how it's this is what I like to see. It'll be from the outside
Open the door. Ready? You'll get bored before us. Because I'm a little fucking teapot. You're not being very sportsman. And the lower F.
There's a marshal down on the track. So on the whole back, you want to hold the bottom door and building off there. So here, another day. So here and here. So every time it's 5 and 6. You are currently here. So you want that and that.
Bottom floor of F-Wing, we need to grab as well, and the tower part across.
Yeah, we've got guys in the tower.
Right, let's see if we can get F-Wing. the objective?
I don't know. No. We're talking about you.
I'm in the building, so I can clear on everyone.
So,
Where do you?
Nathan and been passing over this objective there.
Right.
How's it going in the building?
I don't know if I had to get any batteries for GoPro, but when we were last taking air, me and Nathan were sat on the toilet in the objective, waiting for the grenade in our hands. That's been taken, I think.
Oh, we've still got it all there, stuck in.
I think we're stopped over.
Oh, so they've got it now.
No, but it's objective changed.
Oh, yeah, objective changed a while ago.
Oh, did it?
Yeah.
So what is it now?
So, in this bit there, the code means the inside the code. Score point.
I finished the camera and battery. Huh? I finished the GoPro battery, yeah. Wait, we said we got to be inside it.
And out.
Harry, you got room for another down there? You got room for another down there? My grenade won't work on it.
Oh, we're done.
Is the objective done?
Yeah, it's completed it. You're holding the line thing. What a blue. Yep.
Yeah, I'd call it.
Right, go on then, let's go.
Where are we going?
I don't know, what's the next one?
Head of that way. Hey! Just literally round that corner behind the barrels. I don't think anyone's got a good enough shot to get them through that little gap.
I can't leave that far.
Hey!
Over the top. Yeah, rebound.
You still there?
Yeah, they are there. But very far in the doorway, I don't think you'll reach it. But I've got faith in you, don't get me wrong.
How many ducks? Did I get him? Fucking sick. What's that gun grenade? Get him? You got a grenade, I would. They're not walking! Hey, Tom, you know before the last objective, when it was the power and air, Well, me and him were just sat in the cell on the toilet with the door closed. Taking it.
I was indeed wheeling around on the...
Hello, still here? Still dead? I'm still alive? What's a little bit left?
Where are they?
Hey, Jimmy, I'm just looking for you.
One on man, and there's one that's close to us, about 25 metres front. Okay. Please don't shoot me! I love you!
He's behind the man. Harry, you run. Where's Harry?
I don't know. Where is Suicidal Harry? And one of them, just to those crates there. What's the stairs? Maybe not. Everyone shoot Jordy on 3.
You can go. Ooh, I'm going.
Right. Yeah, go through this chapter here. It'll tell you where to lob the grenade. Go.
Where is it? Wait, where is it?
The last time I saw him, he was near the fan. I don't know if he's moved.
If you're in the van, I'm throwing grenades in a minute. Come on, move.
I don't see any.
I said if you're in the van, move. I think he's gone.
Suicide Johnny!
God, someone needs to work on their fucking head. Tom, I've got 2 this way. Dude, I'm gonna throw a grenade in a minute. Here it is. Let's do it that way. Do it that way. Hey! That's a chance! Hey, man!
How good was that suicide?
That was fucking
I
good.
made it all the way to the bottom and I thought, where do I go next? So
I could have gave you my fucking grenade.
there was no one there.
Huh.
There was one guy in the hedges who wasn't calling his ear.
To be fair, I called a shower and I could still see BBs coming, so I was like, that's why I shouted, stop fucking shooting.
He wasn't calling me. I got last 6 something. Yeah, good job.
How far? I see him. A massive fucking bunch of them over there.